Houston's biggest industry is taking a major hit because of the pandemic. The short-term outlook for oil and gas is bleak. Jason Miles talks with a CBS News business expert about the industry and the overall economy.
Nearly 3 years after Harvey, Houston is suffering an economic storm equal to 4 hurricanes. That's according to a new study by Yelp, which reports nearly 3,700 businesses in the Houston area that were open March 1st have since shut down thanks to COVID-19, either temporarily or permanently.
So we know that economic activity has come to a standstill. We're shrinking.
I spoke with CBS News business analyst Jill Schlesinger from her home in New York. She said Houston's biggest industry, oil and gas, is definitely not exempt. COVID-19 prompted decreased demand and plummeting oil prices.
Obviously, this is a critical issue that's going on. I know it really impacts the state of Texas, but I do also think that if you look ahead, the world's demand for energy is not going away.
In the short term, Schlesinger told me many economists agree that bankruptcies and layoffs are inevitable. Some companies may even go under, but larger ones are better prepared for the booms and busts long associated with the energy business.
So it's really a matter of surviving this horrible period.
Be it oil and gas or any industry, Schlesinger said anyone who loses a job should file for unemployment, prioritize bills, and conserve cash, admitting, however, that any rainy day fund was likely not ready for this.
You know, it's not raining, it is pouring, it's a monsoon, it's an earthquake, and it's a brush fire. It's all at once, and this is going to really hurt a lot of people.
In Houston, Jason Miles, KHOU 11 News.